Starting a family YouTube sounds like a dream, right? Capturing moments, connecting with others, and maybe even creating something bigger for your family's future. But here's the honest truth. It's not as simple as it looks. This is us at Panda Express proving that fitness and fried rice can coexist, right? Balance.
Your enthusiasm will bring life to a dormant project.
Look at your face.
Oh.
There's no paper.
Is it?
Yeah. No paper. I don't want to read.
I'll admit, I've hesitated to take this step for so long. I've had all these doubts, like what if no one watches? What if we're not interesting enough? How much should we spend?
I don't know. How much?
Walmart. Done.
$2.67.
Okay. What if this is just a waste of time? Does that sound familiar? But I realized something. People don't need more perfect families on YouTube. They need relatable families like ours trying to figure it out one step at a time. Now, filming in public, still not my thing. Honestly, I'm not ready to talk on camera in places like Walmart yet.
I'll stay over here where I can see you, okay?
So for this vlog, I've filmed with my new iPhone, hidden as much as I could, and I added the voiceover later when I was in a moment of quiet in our RV after I gave the boys their tablets and said, "Quiet, Mama has to make a video really quick."
Wow. Time for some dinner, leftovers, heating it up.
Maybe one day I'll be brave enough to film and talk while we're out and about, but for now, I didn't want that fear to hold me back from getting started. Full transparency, I also had ChatGPT help me create this voiceover script and make it better. As an overstimulated mom, my thoughts are always jumbled, so until I get better at writing, I'll stop letting it be another excuse to post this video.
Why are you watching that crap? Mom.
This one's in Walmart. Surprisingly, really good.
Meet our crew, my husband Chris, who is a full-time registered nurse. We started out RV life 2.5 years ago. We've been traveling with him while he took on travel nurse contracts. I'm also a nurse, but I stopped working and I've been a stay-at-home mom with my boys since we started traveling. And there's our boys Chris, who is 5, and Carlos, who is 4. I started homeschooling this year, which I'll share. We lived in Florida before traveling, and now we have decided to stay in California because my husband got a full-time position, is taking advantage of full-time benefits to pursue buying a rental property in the future. So we have lots of goals this year. So here it is, the beginning of my vlogging YouTube journey. If you're thinking about starting your own channel, here's my advice. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Talk yourself out of it. Start scared, but just start. You'll figure it out along the way, just like we're doing. And if you want to join us on this journey, don't forget to subscribe. Here's to a new year and new beginnings in 2025.